Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on sending text messages on Apple Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. On your watch, click the digital crown to open the App menu, and then open the Messages app. This shows your Messages inbox, which is synced to your iPhone. You can scroll through any conversations already there and tap on one to reply to that person. You can create messages in a few ways. You can speak into the microphone, which will convert it to text. You can use swipe writing to write a text, and you can also select from pre-written replies to quickly respond to someone. Write your message using the microphone or swipe right feature and then tap send. You can tap new message to start a new conversation with someone. Tap add contact and then add someone from your contacts list, or add a number with the dial pad. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.